This is what we're going to make today. It's a little storage compartment that slides into the mount on my LA 1065 Kubota front end loader. Alright, let's get into the shop and we'll get started making the discs for both ends. Alright, that's got our two discs made. I just ran them on the disc sander to smooth them up a little bit, and they fit into the ends. Now I want to mark a straight line on the side of this, and I'm just going to do that by sticking a square up next to it, like that. And that gives us a straight line. And now I'm just going to use that straight line to make my cut to open up the top. And that gives us our opening just like that. Now we'll just tuck our two discs in there. This other one's a little bit of a looser fit, and we'll screw them in place. Alright, now we're going to drill some little pilot holes in these. And here's the screws we're going to use. I'm going to countersink the heads. Alright, and then I'll just repeat that. I'm going to put 4 in each end and I'll be back. Alright, and now we need something to be able to pull it out with, and I've got this little conduit strap in my junk, and I'm just going to place it right there. Alright, and that's got it done. Let's go see if it'll fit in the tractor. Alright, so here it is finished up, and it fits right in there. Now this is the chain I was hoping to keep in there. Let's see. Alright, I think that's going to work. Now I've got to come up with some way of keeping that from sliding out of there. If you got any ideas, put it in the comments. Alright, so that's what I've come up with so far to keep it in place. Actually works pretty good, pretty easy to get it in there and out. Just pull that down and out she comes. Alright, well I hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.